Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition will support 25 watt of fast charging. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. The launch of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition may or may not be delayed, but the certification process is going forward. China 3C approved the use of the Samsung EPTA 800 charger for the Samsung SMG 9900, the local variant for the S21 Fan Edition. This charger maxed out at 25 watt and has been around for quite a while. It shipped with the Galaxy Note 10 series, so whether or not the S21 Fan Edition actually includes said charger in the retail box or not, it is yet unclear. The current Galaxy S21 Fan Edition came with a 15 watt of charger, but the question here is more about whether there will be a charger at all. For what it's worth, the current model also supports 25 watt charging. If you have the right power brick, you can charge your device quite easily and fast. Like its predecessor, the S21 Fan Edition is expected to be having a 4500 mAh of battery, so battery life should be comparable. The 5G variant of the phone will be powered by Snapdragon 888 processor. Whether or not we see the Exynos model is unclear yet, so even the S20 Fan Edition has been switched to Snapdragon, so we can expect that the Snapdragon processor is going to be coming in the S21 Fan Edition. So basically, I'm pretty much excited about that charger if that is going to be included in the box. There are two different color options you can choose for that charger, the black and the white color option. The phone will have a 6 and 8 gigs of RAM as per the latest leak that has been arriving through the Geekbench listing, which indicates that two models are going to be coming for the S21 Fan Edition. There is going to be a screen size of 6.4 inches, 120Hz of Super AMOLED display. Unfortunately, just like the S21 and S21 Plus, we don't have the refresh rate which is supported by LTPO, so this is going to be a corner cut for the S21 Fan Edition. The design will be borrowed from the S21 series as seen in the rendered images that has been leaked by Even Plus. Anyhow, moving on towards another news, Samsung introduced the LPDDR5 RAM that brings the flash and RAM on the same chip, which means that the mid-range category devices which are going to be coming with that chip will be even cheaper, and also they are going to be performing even better. According to Samsung, there is going to be a 50% increase in the DRAM performance from 17GB to 25GB, while the NAND flash performance is doubled from 1.5GB to 3GB compared with the LPDDR4, which is based on UFS 2.2 storage. But this new DRAM can be anywhere between 6GB and 12GB, while the storage will range from 128GB to 512 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. Test with the several smartphone manufacturers has been completed, and Samsung expect to see the phone with the UMCP as early as this month. Guys, it is going to be an exciting news just because it is going to be introduced in the mid-range category. So we have a powerful RAM and storage option right now. And finally, the Google announces 6 new features for the Android, all landing this summer. So the first Android feature which is going to be coming inside the Android is going to be Earthquake Alert System, which is rolling out globally. People in the affected area can get alerts second before the earthquake hits. Next up, you can now start a message in the messaging app to easily find it later. Just tap and hold the message and pick the start, that's it. There is also a new status category holding all these for you, and this feature will start to roll out more broadly over the coming weeks. Contextual emoji kitchen suggestions are available in the Gboard beta today and will reach the stable version of the keyboard app this summer. We have a bunch of new options in the emoji section as well, which is going to be great. Google Assistant can now be taken to a specific place inside the app, so you can tell it stuff like, "Hey Google, pay my Capital One bill," to jump right into the app and complete the task. For a full list of what possible, say "Hey Google" shortcuts. Voice Access now has a gaze detection in beta, so you can ask the feature to work only when you are looking at the screen, and Voice Access gives you quickly and efficient phones and apps navigation with just your voice. Finally, the Android Auto experience is more customizable. You can personalize your launcher screen from your phone and manually set dark mode. It's easier to browse content too with the new tabs in the media apps and a back to top option and A to Z buttons in the scroll bar. If you are setting up an Android Auto for the first time, that process is now faster. EV charging, parking, and navigation apps are now available to use in the Android Autos as well, and the messaging experience has been improved. Get to your favorite messaging app from the launch screen. Anyhow, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. It's a device which is going to be launching pretty soon, and it's going to be a great selling device. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Peace.